Social Security is increasing in 2024. I'm going to share with you the exact amount you'll get if you're receiving any type of Social Security check, whether SSI, SSDI, spousal benefits, survivor benefits, any type of Social Security check you get, I'm going to let you know the exact amount that you will receive based on the recent data that has just come out. Also, if you're curious how this new COLA compares to previous COLAs, I'm going to let you know what the COLA amounts were for the previous 10 years to give you an idea of where it stands right now. So I'm going to give you all that and plus some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Social Security increases, decreases, bills, proposals. Also, this video is sponsored by my company, YCent. If you or anyone you know is looking to fix your credit, increase your credit score, and remove negative items from your credit report, I can help you out with that. I got a link down in the description below with more info. All right, let's get into it right here. So 2024 COLA forecast, new info about how much Social Security benefits could increase next year. So this just came out. As we can see here, unless the U.S. government's September 2023 inflation report drops some kind of unforeseen surprise, you can expect the 2024 Social Security cost of living adjustment to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 3.2%. That estimate is based on the Consumer Price Index readings from the Department of Labor. So looks like 3.2% is the latest number. Got some other info coming up in a moment, but that seems to be the latest in terms of the amount, with the official announcement coming out October 12th. All right, so Labor Department data shows the CPI index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, the CPIW, rose 3.4% in August from 2.6% in July. What it's saying here is the CPIW changes for July, August, September are added together and averaged, then compared to quarter three from a year earlier. The percentage difference is the amount of the COLA, which would be payable in Social Security checks beginning January of 2024. The higher CPIW reading in August caused the Senior Citizens League to raise its 2024 COLA estimate to 3.2%. So originally it was at 3%, and even before that it was at 2.8%. So a COLA of 3.2% would raise the average monthly retiree benefit by about $59. That's a huge drop from this year's 8.7% COLA, which pushed the average monthly check up by about $146. The COLA for 2022 was 5.9%. The official 2024 COLA is expected to be announced on October 12th when the September inflation numbers come out. So there is a silver lining to 3.2% COLA in that it falls below the 3.3% COLA the Social Security Board of Trustees used as a baseline assumption in its latest analysis of the Social Security Trust Fund's financial health. That fund, officially known as the Old Age and Survivors Insurance, OASI, Trust Fund, is expected to run out of money in about a decade. When it does, Social Security will have to be funded solely by payroll taxes, which is currently covering about 77% of benefits. So I'm going to get into the exact amounts in a moment. A couple of other things. A typical newly retired dual income couple could face a benefit cut of $17,400 when the OASI becomes insolvent, according to estimates from the Nonprofit Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget. The bigger than expected COLA in 2024 could accelerate the insolvency timeline, according to Motley Fool, but a COLA of 3.2% might not have that effect. It would also be the smallest COLA since 2021, though still above the 2.6% COLA average over the last decade. How would a 3.2% COLA Social Security check be affected? Well, here's how the average benefit paid to different groups would change in 2024, according to Social Security Administration data. So here are the numbers right here. Retired workers, $1,899.16, an increase of $58.89 from 2023. Spouses, $918.08, $28.47 more than last year. Survivors, $1,501.02, 46.54 more than last year. And disabled workers, $1,534.41, 47.58 more than last year. So curious, let me know with these exact numbers right here, how does this compare to your monthly budget? Is this going to cut it? Is it not enough? Should the COLA be increased? Should we switch the CPIW to the CPIE? This would result in a much higher COLA on a regular basis and would constantly go up because it's tied to inflation. So let me know your thoughts on that. If you're curious, how does a 3.2% actually compare to previous COLAs? Well, here's the average Social Security benefit COLA over the last 10 years. So let me scroll down right to the chart. So Social Security cost of living adjustments. So you can see here, I'll make it a little bigger. So in 2014, it was 1.5%, 2015, 1.7%, 2016, 0%, 2017, 0.3%, 2018, 2%, 2019, 2.8%, 2020, 1.6%, 2021, 1.3%, 2022, 5.9%, then 2023, 8.7%. So, and if it is a 3.2% in 2024, it'll still be higher than all of the previous COLAs prior to 2021. So really curious, what are your thoughts on the 3.2%? Have you gotten used to the higher COLAs over the past 2 years? Has inflation settled and helped you out, or settled and have your bills been leveling out, and have you been able to afford it that way? Let me know your thoughts on all this. Really curious what your thoughts are on the COLA. Let me know down in the comments below. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bel's tip of the day.
Hi guys, I didn't see you there. Hi, this is Bel Tip of the day. I want to tell you the one thing when you feel something, when you feel like in a mood, tell the people that how you feel like in your body. Don't try to hide it. Be exposed. Make people like you. Not only yourself, other people too. So that's all I wanted to say for today. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support. If you're curious about the latest Social Security bill in Congress, you're going to want to click this video right here. It talks about the Social Security Fairness Act, how that could affect your Social Security check. Also, in that video, talk about a Supreme Court ruling that could also affect Social Security checks. So if you're curious, definitely want to click that video right up there. I'll go over more in that video, and I'll see you in that video once you click it. And that is all. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.